Hey, this is Crypto Jimbo. We've had so many projects come and go over the last few months. I get asked very frequently, what projects do you still believe in? If you had money right now, what would you put it into? So we're going to go through 6 passive income projects that I believe right now are good plays. And then stay tuned to the end because we're going to go through a few Degen plays as well. A little bit riskier, but maybe for you Degen types, maybe something more to your liking. These are in no particular order. First up, we have the Done For You Amazon Reviews program. This has been going amazing. In the month of July, made almost $6,000 off of this. Basically, it's a program from Amazon where you upload review videos and they go on the product pages on Amazon. If anyone watches your product review video and buys, you get a commission for that, 2 or 3%. And I'm working with Kyle, who has a Done For You program where his team does all the uploading. And it's $30K if you want to do it yourself, but I've made an NFT that you can get into and it's kind of a crowdsourced way to get into it. So I've been doing very well. We have a few of these available. I'll leave the link if you want to mint one. But I like this real revenue coming in. I'm in control of the funds, which I like for myself. So really like this one. Number 2, we have Kirk. So this is what I went to Malaysia for. I met with John and the team in Malaysia, but they are looking for distressed doctor clinics. And then they buy those, they improve them. They buy an x-ray machine. They get some appointment setting software. They just, fix it up a little bit. And then it's a cash flow. And I ended up throwing about $60K into this. And we're estimating about 10% a month is what the return will be. So, and still looking for more ways to get involved. Love this team. Christian guys. John's a great guy. The URL is kirk.io. Again, I'll leave all these links down below, but really like that one as well. The third is all the projects from Project 79. So again, I've met this team as well, flew out to Dubai and met them, Sam and Adam, great guys. They currently have 3 projects going that involve gold. First is Sahara Star. It doesn't provide monthly income, but it's something they're looking to exit at some point. They have Burlcore, which is an actual gold mine that you get ownership of. The returns have been a little bit lower for this, maybe 2 or 3% for the last few months, but they're hoping to be able to get that up to the 5 to 7%. Then the good old standard gold staking program, which is you're buying gold from mines in Africa, transporting it to Dubai and selling it to refineries, and that's averaging 5 to 7% a month. So I do have a referral link for this one. I'll leave that down below. Always want to be upfront that I have a referral link. Some people think that I promote it just because I have a referral link, but there's a lot of projects I have referral links for that I do not promote. So fourth is Warbots. So again, this is Jason from South Africa, Shiny Jackal. Again, I've met Jason. I've stayed at his home in South Africa. Warbot's been going for 20 months, averaging about 7% a month. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. This is actually the old website, warbotnfts.com, that kind of just talk through what it is. The new website is warfi-tradingbots.com, but you can put money into this with a credit card up to I think 10K is the max, or else you can do USDC on Polygon. Any money you get in this month starts trading the next month, and again been averaging 7% a month. The 6th project I want to talk about is actually the naked hedge strategy from it used to be known as Crypto Mike, but now he's doing more Forex stuff. But right now he has a 4-day trading challenge, so it's $1. I'll leave this link. It's going to start on August 21st, and basically they have a Forex trading strategy. They also have some copy trading and things like that, but for $1 they'll show you the strategy and you can actually do it yourself, but it's been working very well. I think it's very educational, so I'm going to recommend everyone go and sign up for this 4-day trading challenge. So we've got one more, but then remember to stick around for the Degen plays as well that I'm excited about. So the 6th project really excited about is actually just all the mining projects. So again, if you believe in the future of Bitcoin or Kadena or Kaspa or some of these different coins, then getting exposure to mining is going to be a good bet for you. There's a bunch of crypto mining projects that I really like. Again, there's real revenue coming in. I like these teams. So Fraction Mining is one. Again, they're using flare gas for mining. Spartan Bitcoin Mining is a second one. This is actually an SEC regulated project, and they're looking to do an exit at some point. There's Goofy Gophers Mining Club, which is more kind of a gamified version of mining, but really like that team as well. And also Ace Miners NFT. They're the first to do Kaspa mining, I believe. But all of these, or maybe a combination of these, I think would be good mining plays for you. So when it comes to the Degen plays, honestly, Elephant Money is one that I think I really like. Bank Teller. I really like the community. They've been very kind and patient with me. One play is just buying the Elephant token. I think it's a great store of value right now, just the way the tokenomics work out. This chart always looks good. If you're wanting passive income, they do have Elephant Futures, which is making about 0.5% a day. So again, I call this a little bit degen. Elephant community might not like that. I believe the revenue does come mainly from kind of Ponzi-nomics a little bit. So I call it a little bit degen, but still something I'm in and I like it. So in these degen plays, there's going to be a lot of people that just call them scams, which is fine. And, you know, sometimes you don't know how much is Ponzi-nomics, how much is legit. That's why I call them degen plays. They're not something that I would put a serious amount of money in. It's where I put my risk capital, get my initial out, and then play with house money. But another one is GS Partners. Okay, I've just liked this. I flew to Dubai and got to meet this team as well. You know, they claim to be doing a lot with Forex trading and with fintech and real estate. A lot of people say it's a scam. No, they're not doing these things. I don't know. It's hard to tell with some of these things, but you end up getting a reward of like 13, 14% or so. So I'll leave a link down below. But again, potentially degen play, but I like it. And this is a newer one for me. A lot of people call it a scam, which again, who knows? I just got in, so I do not know. But I've talked to a lot of people that have made a lot of money off of it. But it's Daisy Global. Again, they claim to make their money from Forex AI trading, 7 and 11 months. I mean, those are crazy returns. So again, this is degen, risk capital only, but wanted to mention it anyways. That's what I've got for you today. Please hit like, please hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of each of these projects, what other projects need to be on my radar. Appreciate you guys watching day after day. Hope you all have a great rest of your week. Thanks.